Hey, how's it going, British Geek Guy? I'm pretty good, So I think I'm gonna add the the difficulty thing today. Although someone asked me if I could help them with something like saving scenes and stuff like that. So we might for like 30 minutes or so, I might do something around that. We'll see. We'll see if they hop on stream. They said they would, so I'm expecting at some point we're gonna work on saving scenes. But for now, yeah, I'm gonna try working on a like difficulty page. We'll see. I mean, like a select difficulty menu of some kind. And I think how we're gonna do it is, I was wondering if maybe I should have like one of these things right here, like a little scroll thing where like you can set the like how fast you want the game to go, or we might just have like 3 buttons: easy, medium, or hard. Maybe very, I don't know. I think we'll do easy and normal for now, and if we want some more variety, we'll add it later. Let's do it right now. Actually, let's change this to control. Let's just add a label here. Easy, medium, hard, and nightmare. So I'm actually wondering like what. So the only thing that I'm concerned about with having easy, medium, and hard is that like easy would just be a reduced speed. At least that's what I'm thinking right now. And I think the max we would go is like 0.8, and then I don't know. Maybe easy would be 0.8. Like 0.8 speed, medium would be 0.9 speed, hard would be 1.0 speed, maybe, since my game is already considered hard. And then nightmare, maybe we'll do 1.1 speed. Hey, how's it going, Beltripter? Oh, it's you're on 898. I see. And you have like a bunch of accounts, man. So do I. I have a bunch of Gmails. What? I'm still waking up, by the way, so it might sound a little slow. Let's see, we're using Overlock Black. That's what it's called. I think what we could do is actually just copy this dynamic font, and then when we paste it here, we'll just make it unique. Theme over, what's the difference? I know they added like theme and then theme overrides. This unique, and we'll just say difficulty. When am I launching the Kickstarter? Hopefully in like in December. Hopefully, I'm gonna try my best to get it up and running in December. You know what we should really do is we should make a function in our like UI that's able to like center everything based on their resolution, because I think someone mentioned that the options menu is, I think it was British Geek Guy, I'm not sure. Someone said on Discord, I think, that my game wasn't centered in the main menu. Yeah. So yeah. let me just look at the main menu. Maybe it was just me placing it. Let's see, main menu. Oh wait, I think I just call it menu. We have options menu, and then yeah, here's menu. So one issue is that it's like centered here on the top left. Is there a way to center it somehow? I mean, what we could technically do is expand it, but these are buttons. Yeah, for like the margin values, we could mess around with those. Wait, what's anchor though? 500. Probably mess around with this later on. Oh, align icon. No. Either way, I think we should still have some sort of code, like handling it, because like right now, for most UI elements, I kind of just move them around. As you can see, it's not even centered here, just to get more, just to be a little nicer with it. It won't even be centered; it'll be like that. That way, you know, it's intentional now. And then maybe we could put an image here. At least for now. I mean, you know what? Let me try this. If we just erase this and actually kept this over here. Look at that, easy fix. Here, what we'll do is when we run that scene though, we'll make the title disappear. Here, instance menu. We add to the modulate, and let's do this. Hey, how's it going, Skull? Yeah, modulate dot a minus equals delta. I mean, I guess we could do. No, we want it to erase a little sooner. Here, we should grab a reference to this actually. Decided to keep my game on level 5, trying to keep the scope small. Are you talking about the same? Oh wait, wait, which game is that? Oh, okay, the platformer. Yeah, it's a good idea to keep the scope small, and you know, polish it enough, and then have people play test it, and then you can, you know, expand on that. That's what I kind of like been doing. Although my scope is a little larger because I've been working on this for a while. So right now we're going to be working on adding a difficulty menu. But we're also just updating the main menu for a split second. And then someone DM'd me recently asking for help on some stuff with Godot. So if they hop on to the stream, we might go on a tangent, maybe open a new project, and we'll do that for a little bit. So canvas layer, title, modulate. Oh, we could change this to, what do we call it? Title node. If title node dot modulate dot a is greater than 0. We'll just do that. And I mean, I guess here, it doesn't really matter, but we'll just set it to 0 here. And I think we want to make sure it's let me do this. We should somehow align it correctly. This is going to be updated later, but like we'll make it look nice. But for now, I kind of want to just rush the process. And you know what? I'm kind of sick of the pixel art. Not the pixel art. Yeah, the pixel font. I'm gonna try switching to what is it? The other font that we have in our menu is this one right here. What is it called again? Something black. Overclock black. So we can just throw this in there. Maybe make it like close to. I think we have a bold version of it as well. Bold, yeah, we do. Doesn't really look bold though. Whatever. We'll keep it like that. There we go. Yeah, they also made it even more complicated after like 3.5. Like I mean, it's kind of cool what they tried doing. Like if you go into theme and you make a new theme, it's like a whole like you can make some really cool I guess themes for your UI, but yeah, I haven't explored it too much. Do I have that UI scale with screen size? I don't think so. Or maybe it does. Seems. Well, you guys can't really see it, but yeah, it does scale with the UI, I guess. Because I'm using stretch or whatever. Where is it? Mode. We keep the aspect here, I guess, so it stays the same. Hey, how's it going, Sinister? Welcome. All right. So we got the menu. We'll keep it the way it is for now. Let's try making this new difficulty menu. So we're gonna have to add a few buttons. Let me add another control here. And we'll we'll add some buttons. We'll say this is easy. Well, first we'll make it easy. Should I copy this font here? As drink coasters, that's pretty cool. You know, I have a whole bunch of plates that I think they look cool, but never really did anything with them. Let me see. There should be somewhere here. Oh yeah. I have a bunch of them right here. Oh. I have this little one too. That's pretty cool. Maybe I should use them. I never use coasters. They're cool. What are they made of? I know they crack. Like if you were to like, it's like glass almost. Yeah, I guess. I mean, they're like mirrors, right? Metal. What do I do to remove the background? Let's see here. Oh, just say flat, I guess. Is that what we did with these buttons here? Flat buttons don't display decoration. Well, it's not really decoration that we don't want, but we just don't want that background image. But I guess whatever, we'll just leave it like that. Actually, let me delete this. Duplicate easy. Oh my goodness. Okay. There we go. And then what we want to do, I guess, in these buttons is we'll have it send a signal maybe to our level manager, and yeah, the level manager will say, "Hey, this is our difficulty." And then in our main scene, when we instance everything, I guess we'll do it in the main scene. But then I also want to put this in the options menu, so in case you ever want to switch between difficulties, you can. And I think we should also include some sort of description for each of these buttons. For now, maybe I'll just put it like on the bottom. So we'll add a second label. And we'll just say 0.8 speed, 0.8 original, or 0.8 normal speed. And in our theme overrides for our fonts, let's just make this unique. And we'll set the size to like 30 maybe. Let's center it here. All right, I'll see you, Skull. And yeah, let's bring this down a bit too. Yeah, I don't think any of this is centered. This looks pretty ugly, but we'll just see if it works, and if it works, we can expand on it. Yeah, actually, let's just move this down here. And yeah, I guess maybe we should add a hard. Be pretty cool. Maybe like 1.1 or 1.2. So in our level manager, actually wait, before we do that, let's make some signals with these buttons. So on button pressed, let's actually make a script here. Oh wait, first let's save this as difficulty menu. This will be in, I mean, we can put this in UI. Yeah. Save it here. Let's make a new script. Difficulty menu. Button pressed. On easy pressed. On medium pressed. Oh, I see. Yeah, I remember I cracked one and it felt like, it looked like it was glass. What just happens to the song? Okay. So on easy pressed, we're going to want to send a signal to our main scene, or our level manager here. And I guess maybe we should make a new function and just call it like func set difficulty. And I guess we can have another global variable called var difficulty. Actually, it doesn't really matter too much because it's going to be, I guess it would all be set here. I'm pretty sure. Like, it shouldn't matter too much. I don't know yet, but yeah, all we would have to do is say like os dot set. What is it? Set timescale? So we do engine timescale, but I'm pretty sure we could do dot. I'm not sure if we should leave it like this. We'll try it. Yeah, I do have Spotify Premium. I'll see you, British guy. See you around, man. Alright, so on button press, we'll just say, for now, we'll just say level manager dot set difficulty to easy, and then same with this one. Medium, and then in our manager, oh, well, enjoy my Spotify Premium. Alright, so timescale is set to 0.8 here, and then timescale is set to 1 here. Now, all we have to do is somehow add this menu to, for now we're just going to put it in our regular menu. And what we should do is put this into, like, when we first instance the game, like when you first start a new game, we should have like a UI that pops up and like shows all of our options. So we want to show them the controls. We want to show them maybe some sort of tutorial. I don't know yet, but yeah, we'll add the difficulty there as well. So where was it? Options menu? Yeah, we'll put it in the options menu for now. So let's duplicate. Running out of space here. Alrighty. So on controls, we set our controls UI, or our controls node to controls UI.instance. We add the child, can close, disable buttons. Hey, thanks for the follow, Wargun16. I think we could come up with like a better way to like if we're gonna add more stuff to our UI, maybe we should make something more like reusable. So right now, I mean, disable buttons, I feel like maybe is pretty good. Wait, let's see where disable. Yeah, for buttons, we just set we disable them and we make them invisible. So that works out fine. The controls UI node we just add, and then we set can close equal to false. And I guess let me just look at controls UI and see what we're doing there. Controls. Yeah, so we have all these like unchecked box. Oh wait, let me see. Is this? Resume game on controls pressed. Is there anything else? You know, it's weird. Controls actually doesn't have any script in it. It's all in the controls panel, apparently. Let me see. Disable buttons. Can close. We set can close is equal to false. And how does can close equal to true? Can close is equal to true if we just press escape. Okay. I guess it's a weird way to go about it, but we'll update that later. So on difficulty button press, we're going to add a new variable called difficulty UI node, and then over here we're just going to say difficulty UI node dot instance, or is equal to, what do we call this? Difficulty menu dot instance. Oops. And then we want to add this as a child here. And we'll say can close is also equal to false, and disable all buttons. What we'll do though is, I guess what we could theoretically do is have our difficulty menu send a signal once this is set. Maybe there should be some sort of notification, but I don't know if we want to exit the menu once they've already pressed the button, because it's already done automatically. What we should do though is maybe have some sort of like notification, like on the top left or something, that says like, "Hey, difficulty is set." Or you know what? For now, let's just do this. We're gonna create another. Or should we do this? Could technically have it like this, difficulty, colon, and then in our script we'll just say what the current difficulty is. So we'll say, let's just grab this, var, or onReady var difficulty node is equal to, or is equal to label. Difficulty label, call it difficulty label node. And then right over here, we'll just say difficulty label node dot, what is it? Set or is it dot text? Yeah, dot text is going to equal difficulty We could just do this. It's not that big of a deal. We do need to make sure though that it's not centered, which I think it is right now. Oh no, it's not. Okay, perfect. So it would always be like right here. Although maybe we would want it centered. Let's just try it out. I think that's all we need to do. Let's run it. Okay, nothing's happening right now. Let me see. So we're disabling all of our buttons for item and buttons, item.visible. I don't know, we didn't say button here. Whatever. Oh. We never disable the, I guess, these two labels. We could technically put them inside of buttons. It might create an issue for us. Let's try it out. Because technically it's a label and then that slider, which is technically incorrect. Let's see. Yeah, okay, so it still works. But now, press difficulty, item.disabled is equal to true. So it's technically not a button. What I think we're gonna do is we're actually gonna create a new function really quick, and we'll just say func disable disable. You know what? We'll do it here. We'll rename this to disable. You know what? Elements or something. Leave it the way it is for now. Say for item or for label in labels. We don't have a label thing yet, so 1 second. I feel like we're all over the place right now. Hey, how's it going, computer crazies? Oh my goodness, 10 hours straight, you're crazy, man. The most I've ever worked, I think in one day, or like programming straight, is like 5 hours. And that already feels like too much. But yeah, we're just working on setting up some difficulty menu right now. I think we're almost there. You're making a procedural generating voxel game with RPG mechanics, 2D, and construct. Cool. I hate menu UI stuff. Pain in the butt. Oh, that's pretty cool. You have any? I don't know if are you working with like a company or something? It'd be cool to see some screenshots or something, or gameplay videos if you have one. But it's understandable if you can't share it right now. So yeah, we'll just put this also right here. Oops. Alright, let's see if this works. For label in labels node. Oh. Get children. Alright, yeah, let me know. Let me know when you have something. Alright, so we clicked on difficulty and we did add it, but it seems like nothing is happening. Let me see what's going on here. Add child, UI controls node. Let me try it, maybe. Where's our UI? Difficulty menu. Oh, you also stream game dev? Alright, so yeah, we're not adding our game just yet. Let me see what's going on here. I mean, not our game, our difficulty menu. So yeah, it is setting everything to false, but for some reason this ready function didn't run at all. So wait, let me try it one more time. I have a 3D cat avatar with facial tracking that puts my cat in the lower left with my dev screens. Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay, so yeah, opening menu is working, or it exists. Oh wait, no. It doesn't. Opening menu is something else. Let's see what's going on here. So you started streaming? Are you streaming on that profile right there, Computer Crazies? Is it me or is my camera like not focused anymore? Might be the sunlight actually. There we go. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I would love to do something like that, where like, what's it called? I know there's like a specific name for for like streams with people who like have an avatar. I forgot what it's called though. But I saw some dude was like really creative with it. I forgot his name though. Let me see on Twitter. Like he has some crazy things. Like people can basically react to his. Oh, his name is Finite Singularity. He does some pretty cool stuff. It goes beyond me. I think he's making like this app that he's been working on for like 5 years. But you can type something in the chat, and I mean he uses his face, but like when you type something into the game or into the chat, he'll turn green, or he has like these pre-recorded versions of himself that come into the room, and like he has a green screen. He's like crazy with it. It's like super entertaining. Yeah, I don't know why we're adding our child here. Oh, we're adding controls UI, which doesn't exist. That's the problem. There we go. There we go. And if we press escape, nothing happens just yet. Yeah, that's kind of what the guy was doing, except it just controls his camera. I would love to do something similar, but I'd need to get like a green screen or something. But I also I kind of like sharing my room. I mean, it's not like a crazy impressive room, but like, I added that little thing right there. It's like a monitor, and I put just like, I went on YouTube and I just put some like cool, loop in the background. But maybe I should have like a green screen, like the way this guy does it. I think he has a green screen of his room. So it is his room, but then, yeah, the background is just like, it's editable. He'll have like someone coming through the door, but the person that comes through the door is him. So it's kind of funny. Like it'll be him dressed as like his mom or something, or like as a pirate. You have a green screen covering your entire wall behind you. That's pretty cool. I think there's like a thing, like I want to get, obviously my room is pretty small, and like I have like, a dresser right behind me, so I think it'd be impossible to set up a green screen. But what I could do is just like, maybe have something that attaches to my chair, and then it's just like, it just covers like the width of my camera right here. But yeah, green screen is pretty cool. I would love to mess with it as well. And I think there is a way for me to, like, you can edit out the background using OBS, like right now, but it just looks so sloppy. Yeah, let me see if I can do it right now. Remember, I think we have to go into filters. This is noise filters. We want to add, I think it's chroma key. Yeah, that definitely is not what I was supposed to do. Okay, so yeah, I do have to add a chroma key, but before I do that, I have to add like something to remove the background. I don't remember how to do that. We can look this up really quick. We're getting distracted, but that's okay. OBS remove background from webcam.
All right, to 1280 by 720, which is a widescreen format, so it fits pretty. Installed this plugin. It's the same as all the others. You download it, experience.
Oh, so you have to download some plugin, which I thought I had, but maybe I removed it. Compressor, invert. Yeah, I don't think we have it. Oh wait, unless it's this. No, never mind. It is an OBS integrated, I see. Yeah, I'm looking through. I mean, so I'm in the filters options for a video capture device. There's a noise gate, noise suppression, invert, polarity, gain, expander, and compressor. Nothing else. Unless maybe it's under something else. Blending mode, scale filtering. What have you missed? Not much. Wait, I'll show you what you missed in just a second. One thing we want to do background removal filter. So yeah, I don't have that. Maybe that might be unless it's oh, it's a GitHub release. I see. Yeah, I remember downloading a plugin, but I kind of just I must have like downloaded a new version or something. Let's see. Here, there was just this video that I just saw. Maybe he has a link to it. Honestly, I'm probably not even gonna use it because it looks weird. It still looks weird without a green screen in the background. Oh yeah, this is the same exact one that I used before. Here, I'll share my screen. Do I have to download this whole thing? I remember it just being I guess this is the plugin. Oh wait. So we have to go into remember where my OBS is downloaded. It's not in my D drive. Oh wait, it is. Okay. Did I just throw it? Oh, OBS plugins. So it's just saying to put it in the OBS directory, not in the plugins directory? Alright, let's just try it. If this doesn't work though, like right here, I don't know if I have to like restart OBS, so it might not work. Where the hell is my screen? Oh my god, I feel like a boomer, I can't figure this out. Okay, I'll look that up. But yeah, I don't even know what I'm trying because I know I'm not gonna use it. Is it this one right here?
What is up, my YouTube friends? Zoom, Skype.
Oh yeah, this is the one that I downloaded. I guess I'm just more... let's see. Does he tell you which directory to upload it to?
Just the way I like it. Here we are in OBS, and you can see, and now -s OBS plugins folder. I'm just going to go ahead and right click and copy those folders out of the zip file. Now you're probably...
Did I download the wrong thing? OBS plug. Oh, okay, so I just put that file into OBS plugins. Yeah, so I added it, but I don't see any new filters here. So yeah, like there's nothing. Yeah, I might have to restart OBS, but obviously we know what happens if I do that. So we won't do that today. But yeah, I remember trying it. I would have to add like a sheet to my background or something, like you said. So we won't do that today. Or maybe if I stream later today, I'll try it. I'll try it out. But I think we got our difficulty menu to work. The only thing left to do is make sure that we can escape from it. So in our menu here, oh, wrong menu. Options menu. Right over here. For now, we'll just say if I'll just copy this over. Oh, and in enable buttons for now, we want to make sure we grab these labels. Oh, we already did it. Never mind. Okay. And disable. Okay. Have I finished the difficulty menu? Yeah, I think so. We'll see. So we set it to easy. For label in labels node, label dot visible. Dot get children. On base nil. Oh, what the hell? Unready var labels. Oh, wait, what? Let me see something. In our options menu. Nice. Do you stream on YouTube or on Twitch? I recommend doing, if once you do start like streaming, you know, for longer periods of time, I do recommend doing multi-stream. That's what I do. So labels node is not running correctly. Oh, you know why? Because it's not labels node. It's it's difficulty UI node. There we go. I'll check it out. Send a link when it's up. There we go. It does. I think it is slower. Let's set it to 0.5 just in case. Just to, you know, like exaggerate it. Yeah, there we go. It says easy here, but it should work. Yep, there we go. So now we have a difficulty menu. Does it modify the character speed? So it modifies everything. So yeah, technically everything is slow. Obviously 0.5 is too slow. That's why I think we're gonna keep it at we're gonna keep it at 0.8. That way it's not too noticeable. Computer Crazies, you wanna send a link? That's if it's possible. If it's not, I could look up your name. Oh, look at that. Look at everyone. I think the player speed should be normal speed. It looks like looks a little weird, and the environment you interact with. Yeah, so everything would be slower, even the frame rate. But I think it would help people understand the mechanics more. Well, another thing that I could technically do is increase the timers. So like something for like our dash delay timer, you would have more time to think. Let me see. Let's try it out. Yeah, because the frame rate would be slower, but I don't know. It wouldn't. Our frame rate is also not too fast. Like right now, it's not too fast. And I think this is the way Celeste does it. And you know, I put Celeste on this pedestal of being the greatest game ever. So if they're doing it, then I have to do it, right? I'm kidding. We could try figuring out the best way, but I think this is like the fastest solution. So yeah, this is 0.8, and it's not like super slow. Also, I think I just realized there's a bug with our spacebar. We need to hold, like, it's not a bug, but people might get into the habit of just tapping the jump button, and if you tap the jump button, you kind of just fall off. Which I don't think is ideal. Also, what's happening here? How do I do it fast, like this? You got your game window. Let me see. Oh, it paused. So yeah, the way I do that is by holding the grab button. The grab button is something that's kind of ignored in the game, or at least what it seems like. So like if you hold the grab button, so if I hold right click and I didn't notice that it's buggy. Maybe it's buggy because we're going at 0.8 speed. Let me see something. Yeah, it's because we're at 0.8 speed, I guess. We should like mess with these values here. I think that's the next thing. And I think left jumps. Okay, wait. So usually, I'm not pressing it for that long, but yeah, that's so strange. Let me see something. If you're going back to easy, yeah, that's very strange. New exploit. It's I mean, I guess you could do it. Yeah, it does make you go faster. See, why is sometimes it does this. But it only seems to be an issue in the 0.8 speed. But something that I did notice a while back was that when I did watch some people play, I noticed that this was happening. And I don't know what, like, I think it's because they're tapping the space, the jump. So yeah, if you just tap it, our max velocity is literally nothing. So they'll do like, yeah, they'll like tap it like that. Yeah, this is easy. So in easy mode, the speeds are technically the same. It's just that the time scale is reduced. So, you know, it's as if you have a superpower of slowing down time. You know? But like all of the physics are the same. And the timers are... Actually, I wonder if the timers are the same. The timers might be... Let's see. Let's change this to... 0.2. The timers actually might be the same, which would obviously prove Oh wait, we never changed it. Oh no, okay. Yeah, the timers do... They do update correctly. But one thing that doesn't update correctly, I believe, is our timer here. I think we should keep the timer consistent, so we would have to multiply it, or I guess divide it by our speed. Yeah, okay. So yeah, what we'll do in our timer, forgot where that's done. Is that in our main scene? Whoops. Why is this? Alright, I'll see you, Crazy. Thanks for stopping by, man. And let me know when you start streaming. Like, officially start streaming. I'll definitely check you out. So you're saying the speed looks... the original speed was 0.5. When I was testing it out, it was 0.5. That's probably why. But yeah, easy speed is going to be 0.8. And... normal speed obviously is 1, and then we might add another speed of like the only issue about adding a harder difficulty and increasing the speed is that well, they would be able to speed run, like the game is supposed to be normal, and if you're increasing the speed, they would get across the game faster, which I think is unfair, or like unfair to the normal speed. So there would have to be something else, maybe a nightmare, like there would be a nightmare leaderboard and then a normal leaderboard. We could have the two, possibly, we'll see. Also, I don't know why my hair is doing this like weird twirl today. Yeah, that's like the plan. So you could always change it mid game, if you want to. The way the way Celeste works is if you do ever manipulate the speed, or like there's like this option called assist mode where basically you can like modify anything in the game. So like not anything, but like you can modify the speed at which you play the game and also the amount of dashes that you have. So you know, in the base game you only have one dash and the dash resets you know, every time you hit the ground or you hit an orb or something like that. But in the assist mode, you know, you can give yourself infinite dashes. You can manipulate the time, and I think you could manipulate the gravity. I'm not sure, but yeah, those are like I think the main 3 characteristics that you can manipulate. But if you do, you know, what we could do is if you play on easy mode, maybe the timer doesn't matter. Like you won't be added to the global leaderboard. Hey, how's it going, Zombie? My back is killing me. I did deadlifts yesterday, and I hit my personal record actually. 335. But it's with a Smith machine, which is actually, it's like weird for deadlifts because you're like bound to the, like, there's like these two bars on the side, so you can't really move the bar as easily. It's not a free weight basically. Most people think it's easier to do deadlifts that way, but I think it's harder because you have to like work around the bar rather than, you know, it being a free weight where, like, you know, you can position yourself in what feels most natural to you. But yeah, felt like a huge accomplishment, although my body is like aching today. So let's go back into the level manager and we'll set this back to 0.8. And where's our timer? Do we do it here? Or maybe we do it in our main scene. Where's physics process? No, it might be in our player scene actually. Let me see. Level manager. It makes most sense to put it in our level manager, but we wrote it. Well, I don't know where we wrote it. Maybe in. Here? Oh, we did put it in our level manager. Oh, we put it in the physics process of our player. So what we're going to want to do is level... Yeah, technically we're going to want to divide this value by like our time scale. But it would be annoying to like keep grabbing this value here. So we could also just do it when we set up our minutes time and seconds time, or we could do it in the, you know, where we could do it is in our menu. In our menu, we'll just divide whatever value we have. Yeah, it seems almost. Yeah, I don't think we need this here. Like we should have done it. We should just do delta time, and then when we open up the options menu, that's when we'll set up the time and everything like that. That way we do all the math afterwards, not like every single frame of the game. Yeah, I agree, Skull. I'm just lazy right now. I'm like just, you know, putting the UI out there, and then we should. I mean. Maybe, yeah, we should fix it. I just don't know what to do just yet. Like, I don't like the way this UI looks, but I don't know a better way. But yeah, for this time, let me see. So yeah, we should convert all of this to level manager minutes time. We should make a function for level manager. We'll do it right now. So let's go into level manager. We'll do func set time minutes or get time minutes. We'll do func get. And then what we'll do in our player node is we'll get this. both of them. What did we call it? Delta time? Oh no. That's alright, Adam. Yeah, I can we can start. We're almost done with setting up the UI stuff. So yeah, after that we can help you out with your game. So yeah, minutes time we'll say is equal to this, but then we also want to, I think what we'll want to do is actually divide delta time. Do we need to divide it before we do this? Yeah, I think we do. So we'll do, let's do this. Temp var temp time is equal to delta time divided by our time scale. So we'll do just divide by engine dot. Temp time. Oh. There we go. And then in our difficulty menu, no, in our options menu, we'll want to say level manager dot get minutes. What do we call it? Time minutes. And then over here we'll say dot get time seconds. So yeah, no matter what difficulty you're on, it'll update the seconds correctly. Hopefully. Ooh, what happened here? Int. Get time seconds. Oh, we never actually returned the value. All right, so we're at 1 second right now. I think our timer scale is what, at 0.8. We're gonna have to set that back to, we'll just say it's like 0.2, so we know we're actually increasing right now. All right, so we're at 1 second. I set the difficulty to, wait. We set the difficulty, it automatically updates the time seconds to 5 seconds because we're multiplying it by 0.2. So in that one, yeah, that makes sense. Okay, but what we'll need to do is, before we set this timer, is grab what our current temp time is. Oh my god, this is gonna be, I'm trying to think how we could do this. In our level manager, what we're gonna do, maybe we should make this a global variable, our temp time, or like time according to time scale. Let's do this. If delta time, we'll have delta time scale, I guess. Delta time scale, and then what we'll have to do you know what? For now, let's ignore it. What I'm thinking though is that we could keep the time the same. Like the time is technically the same, and someone could analyze like how long it takes for them to get to a certain point. With like the slower time, it's not a big deal. At least I don't think so. So let's get rid of temp time. We'll just say delta time. Hey, how's it going, Dev Waffle? All right. How did I get my channel so popular? You think my channel is popular? I don't think it's that popular. Difficulty node.q free. Base node. Did we press escape really fast and we crashed? What happened here? If difficulty node does not equal null. Yeah, so something is buggy here. You know what it might be? Actually, I don't know what it might be. I was thinking maybe one of these buttons are still... They still technically exist, but... It also might be because of this timer that we have. So it's saying null, so it's probably that it recently existed. I'm sure the same thing might happen if we do it with the controls panel. No, it doesn't happen with the controls panel, it just happens with difficulty. But it's after we press easy, then we escape. Yeah, we'll figure it out later. Yeah, I guess it's just consistency. I don't think you know, like we average out at like five views, like usually around 5 views, maybe. But yeah, being consistent is probably like, I guess, the best advice if you want to like get more people on your stream. But I think it's important not to like not to hope for like a lot of views. Like, you know, I kind of, you know, I enjoy the process. So like, you know, right now I'm just programming, and I feel like it's more fun to just program with people, you know, with you guys rather than programming alone. And I enjoy that. And yeah, when I first started streaming, I barely got any views. Like it was usually just me talking to myself or something like that. Yeah, after time, over time, you get more people watching. Yep. All right. Is Adam still here? If you are here, we can switch over to like a new project. If not, we'll keep working on the game. Oh, we have nothing to select easy here. You know, looking at this now, it does seem very fast, and then when we switch to 0.8, it almost feels really nice, actually. Yeah, I feel like maybe changing we might want to change maybe normal to be 0.81 seconds, or normal to be maybe 0.9 seconds, and then the hard difficulty will be 1 second. Also, we need to fix that bug where we dash after we die. If there was dash input. See what happens here. Let's see. Yeah, I think point 8 is pretty good. Let's try 0.9. I mean, hard, 0.2 for hard, I think will be very, very hard. But we'll try it. You know what? I also want to see 0.9. Actually, let's look at 0.7. So, I think it's unfair. You have a Skull. I think you have like a survivor bias. You know, you beat the game, and I think you're good at the game. Some people, you know, a lot of people do struggle with the game. I think this is too easy. Maybe we'll have a. This is too slow. Maybe we'll have a very easy mode. But yeah, it ruins the fun. And then another thing we need to consider is like jumps are timed. They're based on like how long you press the jump button for, and with like our input, the amount of time that you're pressing the button for changes. Because now pressing, you're technically like it's detecting your input 0.7 times slower. So we would have to work around that. I think input should be kind of the same. At least, yeah, I would assume so. But yeah, I think 0.8 is probably good enough. The game should still be challenging, and I think 0.8 would make the game just boring, maybe. I don't know. We could try 0.75. But I think we'll just stick to 0.8. And let's see. You know, 0.12 is probably too much. We'll see. Hey, thanks for the follow, Epoch. Oh my goodness. It is possible. Oh my goodness. But it is hard. Here, let me try it with the controller. You know, I might just add it. It looks fun. It feels fun, you know? Like, if you're really good at the game and you want to challenge yourself, like, this is a whole new mode for me. Oh, no. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this is 0.2. 1.2. Yeah, so time is multiplied. So right now, at the moment, but I think that's fair because you don't want to give them the advantage. Like, someone playing the game on easy should still, like, it's not a real time, it's a, I don't know, like in-game time. Like, let's say you wanted to test out your mechanics in easy mode, and you want to see, hey, it's possible to get this time in easy mode, so let me try to beat this easy mode time, you know? But we could, honestly, I think what I'll do is add both. Like, we'll have an easy time, and then we'll have a, or like, we'll have a time based on your, on the difficulty, and then we'll have a real time. Oh! Catching this thing is pretty hard. Okay, let me see. Try that again. Also, why are we not fudging here? I'll figure that out. It is pretty hard to catch this thing, though. You have to be, like, perfect. Oh no. We need to make sure if we go into the menus, like right now I think our speed is still really fast. I wonder, does it manipulate our music? So it's not a bug, but the input from it might be a little bugged. Not the input, but like how, when it detects you. So it only detects when you're in the dash state and when you collide with the hitbox. So yeah. And what could be happening is that you're entering the hitbox. It might be, I'm not sure if it's a bug, but yeah, basically what's happening is at the end of your dash, you're entering the neutral state, but that portal only detects when you're in the dash state. So you have to be like really close to it. But what I'm thinking to do is maybe just increase the hitbox of that portal, because yeah, sometimes it feels like you should make that hit, but you don't. What I probably will do is have two hitboxes, one that checks for dashes, and then if you just tap it, then yeah, if you're like in a neutral state and you just tap it, then you would bounce off. Yeah, I'm a Kobe Kai. No mercy. Yep. Alrighty. Let's see. Get rid of this. Maybe what I could do is a bull after they dashed to remain in the dash state to look smoother. So like if they're in the dash state, they check for anything that they're colliding with. Oh, thanks, A98. It looks pretty cool. See, you got. I'm glad I'm up there with Heart Beast. Heart Beast is amazing. Oh, this was from. Wait a second. What did you send, Waffle? I thought A98 sent me something, so I thought you were Waffle for a second, but yeah, this is cool, A98. Alright, let's see. So I think we could just upload the game like this. We do need to solve the issue with spamming the escape button. I think it has to do with this timer that we created, but I remember it crashing when we didn't have that timer, so I'll have to check. What we could no, wait, let's see. In our options menu. And the normal, okay, so Portal's TP is equal to true. We could try something like that. I'll try that right now. Here, let me just see what happens if we set yield. We get rid of this timer here. Let's see if we crash. I think we do still crash. And there's another crash. I think there was a reason why I put that timer there. So we'll have to fix how our menu works. Oh, I guess that fixed the issue. It was that timer. Alright, well, that's done. Let's go back really quick into our level manager. We were when I was spamming the pause menu and then like switching between like setting the difficulty and stuff like that, we were crashing. But yeah, now it's fine. Medium is still going to be 1.0, but then maybe we'll make it hard as well. Or we'll call it Nightmare, because this is a nightmare. Oh, Nightmare. You know, actually, yeah, we'll leave it at 1.2. We don't have a button for it just yet. And as for the portals, let's put our player there. So yeah, the main issue. So I could either have two solutions. One is in our portal, you could see that we have this hitbox, which actually I don't think it does anything right now. So what we could technically do is use this as like an extended hitbox. And basically, if we're in the dash state and it's like we're right here, we'll dash through. If we're in the what's the other state? If we're in the neutral state or any other state and we hit this exact spot, this is when we'll bounce off. We could do something like that, but let's try. What I could do, I think the main issue with checking for like if we set portals TP, I had a similar solution, but it was literally just to have our portal check if we're in the neutral state instead of the portal state. And I think the only issue with that was that because we have like these timers going on, I think we reset the timer for our player in the dash state. So we'll have to find out. Let's see. Let's look at our player code. Is this an activate node? I believe. For our portal, yeah, if state is equal to dash, then we run this. If state is equal to dash, motion is equal to this, and we run teleport player, which does what? Teleport player says doesn't say anything about resetting any dash timers. So let's just see what happens. We'll say if state is equal to dash or neutral state. It's kind of hard to. Oh, and we're still getting that issue where when we die, dash input is still true, so we'll have to fix that. Let's print this out here. Try with the controller. What? What just happened? We are currently. Were we invisible? You know, I think we were in a neutral state. I feel like this is going to be kind of hard to test. Maybe we can use our newly found difficulty setting. So yeah, we're invisible right now. I think I know which room you're talking about. Yeah, I can't seem to replicate it, but maybe it's because I put that thing into the neutral state. Like I included the neutral state. Whoa. Yeah, we have an issue where we're like, I think that's the neutral state that's happening. Let me see something. But it is making, so it did seem to fix the issue, but now we're like, well, we're not dashing out from the portal anymore. So I think we are teleporting, but we're not. Yeah, we're not dashing out afterwards, and we're not set back to visible afterwards. Well, let's figure that out. You think that there's maybe an extra portal? I don't think it's an extra portal because it usually does work. It's yeah, I think somewhere in our player code. So let's see. We in teleport portal we set teleport player equals true. Set all of these nodes. Visible is equal to false. And then when do we set visible back equal to true? Well, let's see. Oh, also, this is wrong. Alright, so let's see what happened. Right now we're invisible. So yeah, we usually go from the dash to the teleport, but here we went from the dash to the neutral, and then from the neutral we just fell. Or dash, then neutral, then fall. And then we died. So yeah, we're not dashing out. So let's see. Because I think what we do in the dash state, I believe. Wait. Let me run this one more time. So we're gonna be invisible for a split second. Let's see if we can. Oh, okay, so yeah, what we need to do here is just say if teleport player in the neutral state, run teleport player. So let's go into neutral. There we go. I think that should fix it. Probably the teleport state, I'm pretty sure. So we won't be able to see if it works. I mean, we could, but it would be pretty hard to see. I'm pretty sure it works. As long as we never see our player go invisible, then we're good. Oh no, the waffle, I'm sorry to hear that. Yeah, I think we're good. Let's try. Yeah, that's good. Damn, yeah, I've been there before. One uppercase letter. Or just writing the wrong variable sometimes. It is what it is. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end the stream here. I'm pretty tired. We do have the difficulty set up. I think I'm gonna wait one more day. I do want to polish up the UI a bit, maybe. I think maybe, okay, tomorrow we'll work only on the UI, like making it cleaner. Maybe I'll look up some stuff to center everything and UI is usually I think people find UI to be kind of boring, but I don't mind it too much. But yeah, let's do that tomorrow. I will see everyone, or see you guys when I see you. Peace. Oh. What's going on here? Alright, bye.